3, 2, 1. Business news kadak like chai.
With every sip, there's a new untold story.
You're watching Corporate Chai. I'm Sanvi,
And I'm Hania.
and today we're talking about Kodak, Hania. So Kodak is basically this. They invented the camera in 1988. Okay, so it's like way back in the 18th century, and Kodak was the moment. It was the name in the photography, industry back in the day. Okay, and they were the first ones to come and start consumer photography. So if I have to like dumb it down and talk about consumer photography, it's basically like just normal people, like how people right now they buy digicams and they just take pictures for themselves, right? So that's what consumer photography like. The core of it was that was consumer photography. Okay, and then by the 1990s they had a 90% market share in film and 85% market share in just cameras and video cameras and cameras. So they had like a huge market share when they had their peak, when they were in their peak. Yeah.
You said the instead of the.
Yeah, I know.
And I didn't pick on you.
Oh my
because
God.
verbatim, I don't want to do any.
It's not verbatim, it's verbatim.
It's verbatim.
No, it's verbatim.
I call it verbatim.
Verbatim.
This is like status all over again. Yesterday in the bus we were discussing with status. Guys, comment down below, is it status or status? We were talking about relationship status. Relationship status, relationship status.
It's status.
It's status. It's relationship
If you're
status.
in like Beverly Hills, you call it status, and if you're in Nandi Hills, you call it status. You're like that shit.
Yeah. It's relationship status and it's verbatim.
So this company, Kodak, came up with this idea which ended up generating them billions in revenue. They had multiple patents. Like, I think we were making patents the other day. There were like so many complications to it, and it was so difficult to actually put it into simple words that we would be able to explain or understand. So we ended up like making a very basic one without any designs, but we wanted deliverables at the time, so we made it. Anyway, so these people had multiple of those patents for the design of their cameras and all, right? So after that, one more thing that happened was that they were very, let's say, rigid to what they wanted to do. They were not flexible enough to innovate. Like, they had innovation actually, they were just not bold enough, if I have the right words, to put out an innovation in the market, because they were so stern that they wanted to remain in the filming market, that even after they had their digital cameras made, they left it deep down in a basement, like how we are sitting now. Okay? Like,
Yeah, we're in the basement classroom again.
yeah, because we won't say why. Okay, but just tell. You can guess.
Class was there, bro.
Hey, don't tell. Okay. So basically that, and they were so held on to this idea that they would only film and they would not release their digital cameras, it was actually hindering them from further success in their business itself. So they had come up with a digital camera long before any other company did, but then they just held on to the filming business for so long that the other companies, like the newbies of the business as such, that were like Sony and Nikon and all of those other things. I have no idea how you pronounce that.
Nikon only.
Okay, yeah. So all of those companies started taking up the market, and this guy was just left behind because he was too scared to put forward an innovation of his own that he thought would ruin his business. So even though he had, so this is a classic example of how you should take your opportunities when they come to you, and especially when you have the potential to fulfill and to achieve more in life through those opportunities. So y'all can really take it into consideration and apply it to your own lives, because if you have what it takes, then you should actually just grab the opportunity when it comes to your door. Anyways guys, so that's that. And now
That's all.
Sanvi's part.
Yeah. Enough of me eating biscuits. Now let's see what they could have done better. Okay. So first off is build a digital ecosystem before Apple did. So they were established in the 1800s, right? They were established in the late 1800s, way before Apple was even founded, right?
I don't know when Apple was founded, guys. I'm not going to say any more information. Already too much physics wala has happened. Can't try to.
So they were established way before Apple even had the idea of being Apple, right? So they could have built a proper ecosystem. Even in the 1990s, they could have built an ecosystem that consists of photo sharing, cloud storage, digital albums, printing apps, and so many more. Okay, they could have monetized on the memories of other people, and they could have become the Canva for photographers and Instagram for the nostalgia of it. So they could have had like a proper app. And okay, this is another one that I thought of. Okay, this one, I'm so excited to even say it, okay. So then Kodak could have made their own camera, okay. Like for example, let's say Jia, okay, she has a digicam, and then every time we go out, she's the one taking the pictures, and it's like so hard because we have to sit and wait for the pictures, and then Jia has to take out the SD card, put it in her laptop, and her charger is never with the laptop, it's somewhere else always, every single time. Yeah, so it's like a whole hassle to just get the pictures that we have taken, right? So you know what Kodak could have done? They could have made a camera that connects to an app, like a photo sharing app or an album app, right? So then what they could have done is directly when you take a picture on the camera, it sends it to the app directly, and you can give the access to the people who want the photos. So that could have been that's easier for all of us. It solves like an actual problem that's there that a lot of people do face right now. So they could have, that's another thing that they could have, worked on, and I don't think it'll take that much capital also. I mean, it won't take that much money also to make an app because they were already such a big business in the industry. Like I said, 90% of market share in film, 85% market share in cameras. So they're already such an established business with an amazing foundation. So they could have, it was very doable for them. And also, they had a very big identity crisis. Okay, let me elaborate on that. So then they had so many different things. Like they at one point in time they were producing phones, Kodak phones. And it looks so acoustic, bro. It just it looks like a camera, but then at the back of it, it's a phone, and it's not cool. It just looks very acoustic. So then after that, and they also did printing. Like if you go to a lot of the photoshops right now, you can see Kodak all over it because they had a printing business also, and they also had a licensing tech business. Okay, and then what they could have done is kept the brand more emotional. They could have leaned into their heritage and just pair it with like the more digitalized tools. Like for example, like Hania said, they already had the digicam ready even before the other giants right now like Sony. If a digicam comes to mind, only two brands that come to mind are Sony and Nikon. So Kodak had it even before Sony and Nikon had it. So I feel like they could have capitalized on the idea that was already there. Okay, and the last one is they could have collaborated with so many big tech giants like Apple, Sony and all that. Instead of seeing them like competition, they could have joined hands with them and collaborated with them. Okay, and that would have built the brand trust, and they could have also, this one also, they could have used their chipset in the iPhone camera. iPhone has an amazing camera, that's where we film, but then imagine it had the Kodak chipset, then that would have been like an even more like, it would have just been an even more like, higher resolution type camera because Kodak knew what they were doing, okay. I'm not saying iPhone didn't know what they were doing, but Kodak had more experience in that certain part of it. Yeah.
Okay, so one more bit that after like feedback I've realized is that what we do in all of our videos is we introduce the product, and then after that we have their growth, and then we have what could have been done better. But there's one thing that's always missing, and that's like why, basically the reasons why they failed exactly. Right? So we don't really put a lot of
emphasis
on that. And so I think the thing is, this script is new to me as well. I just brushed through it with Sanvi. She made the script. So as far as I tried being all ears to everything she just said right now, and I think with what comes, like with all the betterments that can be there for the company to make it better, there also you can like read between the lines and find the issues, what happened for its fall. So if you want me to break that down, I think one thing was, she kept saying there was a printer shop, there was a tech company, there was a licensing company, and there was photography. So one thing that they messed up with was they had too much on their plate. So they weren't able to digest their food well.
Oh, chip tip for the flip. No, this kind of reminds me of this one also. Subiksha.
What did
No,
I
not
say?
Subiksha. Bro, which one was that? Shimaru. They had a lot of subsidies and they couldn't focus on one thing. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of Shimaru also. No. This kind of reminds me of Shiramu also. What you say, personal relations?
I don't want to say anything anymore, guys.
Okay.
There's too much to say now.
Uh,
Okay, anyways, that. And then apart from that, one thing that I already addressed, but them being scared to release their own innovations into the market, they were not bold enough and they were afraid that they would ruin their already existing market. Then that and one more thing was more than collaborating with the competitors. You always know that the competitors are going one step ahead of you. So I don't think they tracked their competitors very well, right? They didn't really learn from them, which usually businesses should do. To even like, how do I put it? Like, they should understand what their competitors are doing, so that why am I only getting one step ahead all
Correct.
the time? Yeah. So
Yeah.
that basically that. And there was
But
one
like,
more thing
but
you
the thing,
addressed.
but you know what I think, because Hania said before, they had the innovation of a digi cam even for everything. So they were like 20 steps ahead of what was already there, bro.
Yeah.
But they just didn't know. They didn't know what the right time was to release it. So when you get an idea, you should just work on it. I feel like that's it. Like even corporate chai also. I got an idea, then we both worked on it. So I feel like if we had delayed all this, bro, my life has actually changed so much because of corporate chai. I feel like
You're welcome.
I feel like I've become so much more responsible. No, I feel like our friendship has improved a lot because I remember yesterday. Hey.
Oh yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, guys, this is a bit we did in the bus yesterday when we were going to the fest. Okay.
Sami, I learned how to talk Telugu.
Okay. ఏమన్నా చెప్పు తెలుగులో.
Yeah, don't do that. I can't please.
Not stupid.
But it was so funny, yaar. In the bus, it was very funny.
Yeah. Dia has a video of it. I'll ask Dia to send it. I'll add the video here. ఏం తెలుసు? Yeah.
Okay. That.
Wait, so no. I was saying something on your. Oh yeah. So in the bus yesterday, we were going through our old chats. Okay. So before corporate chai was corporate chai.
Okay.
Wait. So before corporate chai was corporate chai, we had like a list of names. So one was Biz. No, not Bizwiz. It was Market Mrs. Wait. Market Mrs. Something receipts.
Revenue and receipts.
Revenue and receipts, and then two girls, one biz hard. Yeah, it was very.
She only recommended those names. I had like better names. I thought that
She-
Sanvi,
Sania.
Sania and Hanvi would be better.
Imagine, hey, people come up to us and be like, "I've seen you on corporate chai." No, they're like, "I've seen you on Hanvi. I've seen you on Sania." So what the hell?
She randomly came and told me, like she texted me and I was like, I didn't know what exactly was going to happen. And if you know me, I never know what exactly is going to happen.
Yeah, in the whole fest, Hania was like, "Bro, what, guys? Oh, where's the glasses?
Shut the hell
Guys,
up. Bro,
guys, you want to get
I coordinated
guys, you
the entire group. Shut up. That's so mean.
Guys, you want to go get masala puri here or there, because masala puri they're selling here and there also. See, Jia's laughing because she knows it's true.
See, that happens only when it comes to food and unserious things. When it's
Unserious things.
I don't want to be here only anymore. Guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, you come and sit next to her and
It's Hanya's mom's birthday, guys.
yeah, guys.
Happy birthday, auntie! Thank you for the biscuits last week and thank you for the tea last week. Actual
Okay,
story.
wait. Let me just tell you what happened. Okay, but I'll tell you in an easier and simpler form without sidetracking. So I was sending very formal messages like, "Are you more inclined to this name or that name?" Okay. But that
Now
was
she's like, "Hey Sanvi, I like this. You do whatever you want."
really. I said
Yeah.
that.
No, now you'll say that.
Yeah, bro. Because at this point,
I'm very close to Hanya.
no, bro, you're very close even before.
Nah, not compared to now.
Nah, I like Dia better at it.
Even I like Jia better at the time. That's why I asked her to be our videographer.
I want Jia to come next time when.
Okay,
she's
if we
like-
hit, guys, promise, if we hit 600 on 600 followers on Instagram, Gia will come. And she's a very fun person. She giggles a lot.
Yeah.
Now also she's like, yeah.
Kodak's failure was not because of the lack of innovation. It was because of the lack of boldness. They saw the future, but instead of chasing behind it, they decided to cling on to the past. In a world that evolves with every minute, the fastest way to fall back is to cling on to your
The
past.
past.
So, Kodak didn't lose to competition,
They lost to hesitation.
अरे यार
झूठा प्यार.
Kodak didn't lose to competition, he lost to hesitation.
I'll open my mouth, you put your finger.
Okay guys, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.